Today we will be learning about what is a prashasti. What is a prashasti or a land grant during the medieval period. Let us learn about it. What is a prashasti or a land grant? So a prashasti or a land grant contains the details which may not be literally true. What are those details that may not be literally true? They might be praising the king to a very extreme level, which may not be true. That is the first aspect, what we need to know. Secondly, how rulers wanted to depict themselves as great warriors or valiant fighters. Similarly, the people used to praise them. By now, you might have understood what is a prashasti. Prashasti means a poet or a poetic version of king's praise. Generally, it is written in Sanskrit language, written by learned people. So, learned people immediately, when we talk about Sanskrit language, in the medieval period, it was accessible only to the Brahmins who used to work closely with the king, and they used to write about the king, about his achievements. So kings often used to reward the Brahmins by giving certain amounts of land as a grant to the Brahmins. So you can see here on the screen a couple of copper plates which were given to those who received the land. It's like a document which is on a copper plate so that it is recorded and it cannot be erased. So it will be given as an official document by the king. So one example let me give you, which is given in the textbook for us. You can see the achievements of Nagabhatta so that you can understand all these points. First, it may not be literally true. You can go to the second para starting, where the king is described as he exploited the Pratihara king, Andhras, Saindavas, Vidarbha, and made them to fell in front of him when he was a prince, which means literally he was not a king that time. And while he was a prince, he won over many kingdoms like Kanauj, Vanga, Anatra, Malwa, like this. So it may not be literally true. Maybe after he became a king, he might have defeated few of them or defeated all of them. So we don't know exactly what was the reality. And it depicted now, once you read this one, you feel that he's a great warrior. Definitely you will feel that. And he's victorious in many of the wars. And third one, it is written by a Brahmin and it is written in Sanskrit language, which is a clear indication that only few people in Brahmins were access to that. So it's not accessible to other varnas or caste group. And it is recorded in the copper plates and it is given. So the achievements of the king are recorded in a poetic version or a prose version in Sanskrit language is known as prashasti, which directly deals with certain amount of land grants given to the Brahmins. King used to reward the Brahmins by giving grants of land. So for the notes work, I have made it a little bit easier for you. So the details may be literally true, may not be literally true. However, they depict the king how he wanted to be depicted, composed by learned Brahmins, rewarded as grants, and they were recorded on copper plates. The example you can write achievements of Nagabhatta, no need all these details. So these 5-6 pointers can help you to remember easily about the prashastis and land grants. Hope this video is helpful for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned. Please consider subscription to our channel. Thank you very much.